Let's make authentic Jamaican jerk chicken, smoked and grilled to perfection. Let's jump right into the video. So the first thing you want to do is clean your meat. We're using leg and thigh. So we're just taking out the guts and trimming off the excess fat. You don't have to because the fire will definitely burn out the excess. If you want to achieve maximum flavor in your jerk chicken, stabbing up the meat so that all the seasonings can go in is essential. After you stab up all your meat and clean them all, now you're going to wash it with water and vinegar, let it soak, and then you rinse it off. And now it's time to season. All the seasonings and exact measurements is on our website, jerktavern.com, and I will link it below. That is green seasoning. I know you're probably wondering why is it so runny, but we like our seasoning a bit wet, like a marinade, so that you may infuse all the flavors. I will link the green seasoning and the homemade jerk seasoning also in the description. Take some time to massage your meat and look how marinated that already looks. But you want to ensure that you marinate this for at least 30 minutes or overnight for best results. Now it's time to light your grill. Your charcoal, you want to gather them all in a heap and pile them on top of each other. This is how we're going to get the fire started. Then you're going to use some lighter fluid and just pour it all over your charcoal. After you've done that, then you're just going to take your lighter and light the coal. And after you lit the coal, then you're just going to add a bit more lighter fluid on it so the fire can get blazing. While the coal lights, you're going to put back on the grill and start to brush off any excess debris that's left over from all that summer barbecuing. After you've cleaned off your grill, spread out the coal and spray your grill with some cooking oil so that your chicken will not stick. And now it's time to start jerking your chicken. Place your chicken on the grill and let that jerk for at least 25 minutes before flipping it. And you're going to do that a few more times until your chicken is done. Jerk chicken is a classic Jamaican dish known all across the world. Jerk chicken is an earthy, sweet, and spicy blend of exotic flavors. Jerk chicken is a big part of the Jamaican cuisine, and it is most beloved in the summer at a barbecue, cooking outside on the grill. Yeah, and to get that nice charcoal flavor. Look how beautiful that looks right now. Jerk chicken is a very versatile dish that can be eaten with any sides. So you can have it with rice, bread, boiled dumpling, fried dumpling. Comment below and let us know what is your favorite side to have with Jamaican jerk chicken. If you enjoyed this video, give the video a thumbs up, like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next recipe.